And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this 3-in-1 fast charging cable. It has fast charging with a smart chip and multiple protections built in. There's nothing around the box besides soft silicone cable, alloy connector, charging indicator, leather cable strap, and just got the name here. The model is the PN-X06, and the back just has your sticker. This has a lightning cable, a Type-C, and a micro USB, all in one cool cable. So let's open this up and show it to you. This would be really great for a car because you could, no matter who gets in your car, they would have the port they would need to charge their device. So, little box, and then inside of here, that's it for the box. So here is, voila, the cable. So you can see here is the silicone cable. All the cables, no, the entire cable is made out of silicone. And you can see you have 3 different connectors here. So this is a lightning port connector for the iPhones or an iPad. This is a much older micro USB connector, which most things have moved away from this, but there's still people who have these devices. And of course, the new standard, essentially the USB Type-C connector. Now this is the part that would plug in to a regular USB-A outlet. So, you'd plug this in and you could plug in 3 devices over here. And then they include a very nice little leather strap that has their name on it. Gotta love that. But the cable is probably 2-ish feet in length from a USB-A port to where it splits into the 3 connectors. But like I said, this would be perfect for somebody to keep in their car so that no matter who gets in their car, they would have a way to charge their device. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send this to me to unbox and show you. I absolutely love this, and I'm going to use it inside of my car. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.